Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and just to note that Walgreens Valentine's Day clearance hit 70% off today, which is Wednesday the 17th. So if there's something that really caught your eye, definitely the day to go look. But I'm going to share some information because apparently rumor on the street is that today is 70, tomorrow it's supposed to hit 90. So if your store has a good amount of merchandise and like nothing's really moving, because even at 70%, this stuff is not free. You might want to scout today and see what they have. If there's something that you absolutely need at 70% off, maybe pick it up. But rumor on the street from multiple sources, it's supposed to hit 90 on Thursday. And I think they just want everything cleared because they want Easter stuff out and they want the room for it, or to package it up and send it off back to head office or whatever they do with it. So at 70% off, you're basically paying 30 cents on the dollar. So I made this little cheat sheet. So $1, you'd be paying 30 cents, right up to $20, you'd be paying 6. The next day, again, this is speculation about this, but the list has been right, the one that's been circulating around. So if it does hit 90 tomorrow, and on social media, people will be sharing right away, these are the prices, and you would just use like 10 cents per item. So say if something's $1, that's 10 cents. If something's $20, that's $2, and so on and so forth. So good luck with this one, guys. And hopefully your store has some clearance, and definitely be a little clearance hunter and go out there and look for it. Depending if you like, Valentine's Day, Easter, Halloween. I don't really go hard for those clearances, but I know a lot of you love to decorate and celebrate these holidays. So I would definitely, at the very least, scout your store. Maybe ask in a very nice way to a manager or an employee, are you hitting 90 tomorrow? And if they smile, they might be able to tell you if they are or they are not. But good luck with this one, guys. And I hope these little charts help you guys out. Okay, so Wednesday morning, they usually forecast items for the next week in the Walgreens app. If you go to your digital coupons folder, I had to scroll about halfway down and I got a mystery deal, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when I spend 20. This is valid from the 21st to the 22nd. So definitely go through your digital coupons app and see if you might have it. And remember, you can't use this until next Sunday, which is the 21st. Running Kimono, and this is the second helping over here at Walgreens today. I did not get any Valentine's Day stuff because I don't know, it's like you're either team Christmas or team Valentine's Day, and I don't really go crazy for Valentine's Day stuff. Maybe one day I will, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just not a romantic, but all this stuff was free. This is a really big money maker, and we'll talk about this one right off the bat. It's on clearance over at Walgreens, depending on your store, but oh my gosh, great. And then we have more deals over here, and then over here we have a little Rite Aid haul. I'm gonna go through this. But this was a really good deal for me, and weather report for you guys. Oh my God, look who fixed her camera. I finally learned something. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. And the massive snow that's been like blanketing like Chicago, Texas, we haven't really been getting it because we're so like the upper part of Michigan. We just haven't been getting it that bad, but still a little bit. And sorry about all the streaks. We haven't been able to clean the glass because it's been freezing all the time, but we have little kids. They live at a barn 2 houses down. I live in the country, but they come here because we feed them like really nice food, rotisserie chicken and milk. And so the 2 little kittens spend the day here. And Uncle Pumpkin was right at the glass and now he took off. Greens, this first deal is a your mileage may vary, meaning it's on clearance here. It might not be on clearance at your market. So you just have to go to the store and see. If you want to look it up in the app, that's the wrong way to do it because it will not show up on clearance in the app. Sorry guys, you got to do this one in store. So it is for this bag of pull-ups, the 27 count. On clearance here, it is $3.29. There's a $2 digital in your Walgreens account, so it would drop it down to $1.29. IBOTTA has a $1 rebate. Shopkick is giving back 500 points, which is basically 2 buckos. So it makes this free plus a $1.71 money maker. Now, some of you on your Fetch Rewards app, you might have even more rebate money there. Unfortunately, I didn't, but you shouldn't, don't be shy to check it out. But it is on this one with the Mickey Mouse. It's these older bags that are on clearance right now. So, I mean, this one's a moneymaker, so that's why I got it. And just to show you, here's the UPC if you want to check at your store. Even if it's not tagged, ask the cashier to scan it. And maybe it'll be $3.29. Maybe in 2 weeks it'll be $3.29. But a lot of the baby care stuff is on significant clearance, and usually this time of the year, if you do couponing over a little bit, you'll see sales cycles when they start changing packaging, or maybe it won't be a Disney theme, maybe it'll be like, you know, something completely different, like Toy Story or something, Hello Kitty, you know, you never know. So they sometimes do change it up, and like this has been in this store for a while, somebody was playing with that. But if you are at Walgreens doing Valentine's Day stuff, at the very least, walk through the baby section. If you have a toddler, this is a killer deal. So I finally was able to find 2 of these Bic Soleil. I was at a store that actually had them. So I'm thinking stores that are not tiny. So if you live in a small town, they might be completely getting rid of the Bic line, because I've noticed that at a couple pharmacies around here. But this larger city, I was able to track down 2 of them. So they are $5.99 a piece. So for 2 of them, that's $11.98. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. Plus on the Bic website, it's like bicus.com. There's another $3 printable. So either way you shake it or bake it, let's just go with the digital. If you only have opportunities to use the one digital, you would pay $8.98 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward. And then IBOTTA has $6 back when you buy 2, making this completely for free. Now, if you have that printable, it would make it a $3 money maker. Little fantastic deal is with these Revlon, they're called Kiss Bomb, and they are on a buy one get one 50% off. So the first one $4.99, second one $2.49. So for those 2, it's $7.48. I didn't have the single digital coupon that would attach to this. However, IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each, so that's $4 back. Plus you get back a $4 register reward, making this free plus a 52-cent money maker. Okay, I just repeated this deal again with the Crest because my digital coupon did not come off earlier in the week, and I'm like, hey, I'm gonna try this again. So these guys are $3.99, so for 2 of them, that's $7.98. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. It drops it down to $4.98 you'd pay out of pocket, get back a $4.50 register reward. IBOTTA has $1 back for each, so that's $2 back. So it makes it free plus a $1.02 money maker, not too shabby. Guys, I had one of these midweek deals on my IBOTTA account that if I did, like, I think 6 rebates, I would get back $3. So I was really close from earning my money. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna do this again. I could not find a 3rd crystal, so I had to pick up a detergent. These are 3 for $6, so they're basically like $2 each, but you have to buy them in increments of 3 to get that price point. If not, they'll ring up for like $2.99 each. So grabbing 3 of these items, laundry detergent, crystals, that's $6 on the nose. I used basically Walgreens cash to pay that down. And then IBOTTA gave me back $1 for each crystal. And then I also got my $3 bonus with this. So, you know, it's just a really good deal for some Purex. And these crystals are usually close to $5.99, so I will take that any day of the week. Okay, so just to show you the pretty little chorus line of Ibotta money, man, it was really working for me. And I got back $18 altogether from all that stuff I just bought. So it made the basket like free and a little money maker. So if you've never heard of this app, or you're just kind of like, I don't really care for Ibotta, sign up today, guys. At the very least, you'll have it whenever there's like a deal like these diapers. And if you use my link in the notes, I think it's like a $20 bonus you'll get when you submit your first qualifying receipt. Like if you want to do the mouthwash or the diaper deal, if you can find it. I mean, make something happen. I just showed you a bunch of little deals with Ibotta, and like $18, that's nothing to sneeze at. And that's also with the $3 bonus, but that's kind of awesome if you think about it. Deal I think you should be doing, because I think it's just absolutely fantastic. It is with these papers. There's a dollar digital manufacturer for the Kleenex and a dollar digital for the Scott. So for two of them, that's 10. We have a $1.25 IVC in the February Big Book of Savings. Scan that once and $2.50 comes off, plus dollar digital for both. So the new price point is $5.50. Use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay 50 cents, photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and you're laughing all the way to the bank. When we have paper deals like this where you can roll your cash or get these two for $5.50, that's absolutely what it's all about. So at the very least, guys, make this deal happen because it's worth it. One item I did find on clearance that I was just curious about were these Callus Removers, or Callus Shavers. I got one for myself and one for my mom. And it's just a little something I thought she would find kind of cute. And they were 72 cents each. I used Walgreens cash to pay that down. And a lot of you might think, oh, well, this is a weird thing. But she loves anything like foot related, or, you know, to help her feet. It's really fantastic. And whenever you can do something small like this for a parent, absolutely do it, because I think it's a great way to be. You know, if you're out there clearance shopping, make it happen. Okay, so before we talk about Rite Aid, we're going to talk about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box, and I have been with them, guys, for about 2 years. Basically, UPS truck shows up. I get a box with all the ingredients to make these delicious meals. So this is what we have this week. I know some of you just love to look at what I have, but really nice dishes. It's about 10 steps above Applebee's. You're given all the ingredients and the instructions to make it at home. And basically, guys, it's just super easy to make, and it's delicious food. And if you want to try one of these boxes for new signups only, check out the link in the notes, and you'll get $40 off your first box, making it $20 with UPS shipping included. And if you want to just try the one, like one and done, you have the option to do that. You can, you know, pause your account at any time, but it's just a really fantastic service. I love them. And I don't have to be in the grocery store looking for a poblano pepper or cilantro. It's all delivered at my house. I have other things I'm doing, so it just makes it a little easier, especially if you're working a full-time job and you love couponing like me. Sometimes if you want to eat nice, it's just a great way. And like signups only, if you're interested, there's a $40 coupon off your first box, making it $20 with the shipping included. And you can always like pause your account after that if you wish. But what a great little company. I love HelloFresh. The last store that we have is Rite Aid. And I have two store cards that I use, my husband's and mine. And basically the deal this week is to get $50 of product. There's a 15 back when you spend 50, and you can use manufacturer coupons with that. So what I did was I got a lot of the Nature's Truth vitamins. I would get $40 of that, because the deal for the Nature's Truth this week is that when you buy $40 back, you get 20. So that's a 50% return on investment. And I know there were internet printables for these on coupons.com, but this is kind of funny. I didn't print them out, so I didn't even have coupons for that. But the coupons.com app, you can get one $2 rebate back for one of these, so I guess it's better than nothing. I did get my $2 back, but still it was a really good deal. I had a large amount of bonus cash on both of my store cards, so I really didn't fill this one out of pocket. So I'm going to talk about what I did in this transaction, and it's to basically get exactly $40 of this and then another item to get your basket right to 50. So Mr. Carpet Cleaner, I found it on clearance for 25 cents. I could not leave that at the store. And then these Nivea Creams, kind of like an old-fashioned looking one, 13 ounces. They are $5.99 each. When you buy 2, you get back $3 of bonus cash. Now, I grabbed one of the lotions that was also this color of blue in a pump, and I'll let you guys know, I didn't get my bonus cash back, but for this one, it is kicking it back, so I don't know what's going on. So anyhow, these 2 is $11.98. I had a $2 coupon from a recent insert that scanned beautifully, so it took off $4. And for the Nature's Truth, I grabbed 4 of these elderberries, and they are $14.99 each, so that was like $28 and some change. Expensive. These are on a buy one get one free as well, but the free items will not count towards your basket, just the purchase of the first one. And none of this stuff will also ring up for gold price because it's a BOGO free. So that's why, and this is a sales price, so there is no gold discount. So these were $14.99 each. I got 4 of them, 2 of them for free. And then I also grabbed these little biotins, and they were $11.49 on a buy one get one free. Please make sure too that you're grabbing the ones that say Nature's Truth, because in the vitamin section, if you are paying attention, they have like nature's this, nature that, da da da. Nature is in everything. So it's like, it's kind of confusing because I actually grabbed one of the wrong ones and it messed up my basket. So I had to return a bunch of stuff, which is always great. So just pay attention, Nature's Truth. So for all of this magic, guys, it was $41.47 for the vitamins. And then with the rest of the stuff, it was like $53.70. I had 2 $2 coupons for the Nivea. So I paid $49.70 out of pocket. I had bonus cash on my store card that covered most of that. And then I got $38 back. 15 back for the spend 50, get back 15. 20 back for buying 40 bucks of the Nature's Truth. 3 back for buying these 2 little troublemakers, and then $2 back for one of these from coupons.com. So it dropped this down to $9.70 for all of this, but the supplements I absolutely needed, so I'm okay with that. It's just a quick little deal, and I really didn't have to mess around with too many coupons. In this transaction, I just got a similar amount of $40 of vitamins. So whatever the price is, like $12.99, $9.99, just bring a pad of paper and keep track. And please make sure you're grabbing Nature's Truth, because there's so many different ones with the word nature in it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay warm, stay safe, especially for the people in Texas. Be really safe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.